everyone, we are right now in Udaipur driving the new Honda BRV. अब BRV का फुल फॉर्म है बोल्ड रनअबाउट व्हीकल. क्या ये सच में ये नाम फुलफिल करता है? Let's find out on today's episode. अब आप एक SUV में क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखोगे? It needs to be rugged, tough looking and muscular, and since you're paying over 10 lakhs, it needs to feel premium too from the outside as well. It needs to have that presence. अब BRV में presence है, it looks premium and sophisticated. But does it feel rugged? Yes, up to a certain extent it does. If you look at the side profile, it gets a cladding that runs across the body. अगर आप BRV का side profile देखोगे, it will remind you of the Mobilio. अब same platform है, तो it will resemble to some extent. Honda BRV का rear, especially the tail lamps, remind me of the new generation Civic. It looks sporty and stylish, and yeah, I like it. Honda का जो टॉप मॉडल है VX will get all black interiors and these will have leather upholstery as well, but the other variants will get beige interiors with fabric seats. अब आप इसका इंटीरियर देखोगे, it will remind you of the new Amaze facelift. इसमें एक piano black center console है which gets a music system which is a 2-din system but it's not touchscreen. Other thing you also get is climate control. You get a push start button and instrument cluster is the same as the City. However, it does not get the blue and green lights as we had seen in the Honda City. And a few more features like dual airbags is a standard feature on all variants. Honda ने इस गाड़ी पे काफी मेहनत की है and it shows up because the car feels good on the inside. However, the one downside that we would like to point out is the lack of features. In terms of features, ये City की तरह loaded नहीं है. It doesn't get a sunroof, it doesn't get a touchscreen system, it doesn't get reverse parking camera. Honda will try and price the BRV underneath the existing compact SUVs and this will help it get a lead over the competition. इसको rear AC vent है on the top, मगर it doesn't get a vent for the third row passengers. Now, what Honda is trying to do is it's trying to get a 7-seater SUV at a price of a 5-seater, and this is what gives it an advantage over the others. इंडिया में जो भी compact SUVs है, their focus is clearly on the driver's seat. This is where the BRV excels. अगर आप chauffeur driven हो and you're looking for an SUV, I think your search should end on the BRV. मैं पीछे बैठा हूँ. I don't have too much knee room. I have very good headroom. I must say this is one of the best in its segment. To increase my knee room, all I need to do is slide my seat at the back. If you think I'm not very comfortable, it's getting warm, I can adjust my AC vents here itself and even adjust the speed as well. At the same time, there's an option of an armrest too. And if you still think there's something missing and it needs to be more comfortable and relaxing for those long drives, you get the option of reclining your seat and enjoying the long drives while the driver takes you to places. One of the strongest points for Honda has always been its petrol engine. The 1.5 litre iVTEC engine that powers the City is a gem of a machine. This same engine has been transplanted even into the BRV. But there's a difference. City comes with a 5-speed manual. This one gets a 6-speed manual, which makes it a lot more linear to drive and of course more fuel efficient. Now, I'm not talking of the ARAI claims. but in city, BRV will return about 9.5 to 10 kilometers a liter for the petrol manual, while on the highway it should be about 14 and a half kilometers to a liter. The second engine, which will be the engine that most of you guys will look at buying, is the diesel. ये जो है ये 1.5 लीटर का डीजल इंजन है जो 98 bhp का पावर प्रोड्यूस करता है और 200 न्यूटन मीटर का टॉर्क है. अगर हम नंबर्स को नहीं गिने, then let's be honest, this engine is the ideal choice. ये पावरफुल है, ये फ्यूल एफिशिएंट है, and at the same time it's very linear to drive. अगर आप सिटी में चलाते हो, you don't really need to change gears that often, which makes it actually comfortable and easy to drive. Other advantages of the BRV is that the vision that you get is not obstructed by a lot of A pillars, B pillars. इसकी visibility and road clarity is actually one of the best in its segment. अब ये दूसरी SUVs की तरह heighted नहीं है, and if you see any other SUV or MPV, for instance this, it feels more heighted, and this feels more like a car when you drive, which makes it much more easier and comfortable to drive. Other good things about the BRV is the comfort level. The suspension is soft, magar it feels very nice to drive on the road. Now let's count the pros and cons of the BRV. Firstly, 7-seater SUV. Secondly, spacious and comfortable. Third, powerful and fuel efficient engines. Fourth, option of an automatic but on the petrol. अब बारी आई downsides की. Firstly, it doesn't get a lot of features. Second, ये काफ़ी हद तक मोबिलियो को resemble करती है from the outside. Third, it doesn't feel like an SUV for many. अब मेन सवाल, क्या आपको Honda BRV खरीदनी चाहिए? Honda ने इसे काफ़ी एग्रेसिवली प्राइस किया है, and at this price point, it's a great value for money proposition. माना इसमें फीचर्स कम है, but what you get is versatility and practicality, जो दूसरी compact SUVs में नहीं आती. If you need a 7-seater SUV, you'll have to go the old school way like the Safari or the Scorpio. And this is where the Honda BRV shines clearly on its rivals. Now that's a wrap. If you like our honest car and bike reviews, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.